We are now inside the palace area. Look around. The walls are adorned with ancient style paintings that depicts stories from a time long gone. The artwork is not just beautiful, it tells the untold tales of India's past. Placed at the heart of the museum is a stone idol of Veer Kunwar Singh. It's a cute but powerful tribute reminding every visitor of his legacy, courage and contribution to India's independence movement. Here you can see two ancient cannons placed inside the museum. They were likely used during historic battles. Next, we have two traditional daggers locally known as khanjar. These weapons were part of the warrior gear. I have captured many beautiful paintings. They reflect stories from the past. Let's take a closer look at them for a full minute. This section is truly fantastic. It holds original weapons from the era. You will find sword, daggers, axes and hand rest shield and even special tools used to control war elephant. Every piece speaks of ancient warfare and warrior life. And finally, look at the massive sword likely used during rituals or sacrifice. Its size alone is overwhelming. It's a heavy, sharp and gives you goosebumps. Just imagine and history its witness. Here are some paper-based Indian currency notes used during ancient times. They are now preserved as rare historical pieces. The museum also displays pictures of various historical places from India, a tribute to rich our heritage. And finally, here is the flag of the great warrior Babu Veer Kunwar Singh, a symbol of courage and freedom. This entire fort is more than just a stone and a structure. It's a living piece of history. Veer Kunwar Singh bravely the culture of ancient India. and the strength of a forgotten era all live within these walls. I hope you enjoyed this journey. Please like, share and subscribe if you want to see more amazing heritage sites from India. Until next time, goodbye.